morning, guys! Nagigising ko lang. Actually, hindi ko pala kagigising kasi nakapagluto na ako ng aming almusal. Nakapag-toothbrush and hilamos na ako. Naglagay ako ng petroleum jelly sa mukha ko kasi may dry patches ako dito. Yung paglabas yata namin ng gabi. Kasi malamig nung pumunta kami sa downtown. Ayun, sarap ng tulog ko kanina. Parang 3 days straight na akong parang pagising ko para ko lalagnatin. Yung ganong feeling na naman bago ako dinugo. So, meron akong ganong feeling ng mga nakaraan. Kanina, medyo parang late na lang siya. Hindi na siya ganon ka sobra. Gawin lang natin yung higaan. Tapos, tatanggalin ko yung mga nakasampay-sampay. Na mga pinapatuyong labahin. Ayun, guys. First day ko na. Walang pasok. Tapos guys, di ba kahapon nag-send ng schedule yung aking boss? Pagtingin ko sa schedule, wala na yung pangalan ko sa aming... Wala na yung pangalan ko na sa schedule.
Hello guys, good morning. Ready to go. I'm ready to go, but not you. You are what? Housewife? No, I'm just kidding. That's what you call in Philippines also, right?
Yeah.
Housewife?
Unemployed.
Oh.
Batugan.
No.
you can call me Batugan.
No.
Batugan are the lazy people who stay at home.
You need to rest.
Batugan yard.
Yeah. Don't sit for too long. Don't stand for too long. Don't lie down all the time. So that's what you need to do right now. You have the strawberry and watermelon shake. Drink slowly but finish it.
Yeah. Today.
Yeah.
So many fruits.
Oh my. Good, right? We should eat more fruits. You always talk about my tummy, right? Oh, so small tummy. That's the reason why. Because more fruits, more food,
But I cannot
which you
have,
can digest fast.
I cannot have flat tummy.
Yeah, I mean,
This is gonna become bigger.
yeah. Every morning when I'm done taking shower or something, she look at my tummy, and then every time she say, "Oh my God, so small tummy." I said, yeah, see, when you control what you eat, you get small tummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready. Today's task is interviews,
Oh well.
and today we only have we only schedule four here, but tomorrow we have so many. Like
So in the
so many.
kitchen.
Yeah, so many people coming in for the interview. Line cook. Sige na. So do you want to go later or we go some other day?
Some other day. Or,
We'll see.
yeah, we can check later.
We'll see.
Oh.
You can transfer your files.
May interview pala siya today. Di ba kagabi, naayos namin to sink. Ay, lababo.
I think I fixed it.
Yeah, so habang busy kami
You
nagpi-fix.
check later after you watch these.
Yeah.
You check later.
So,
That's the
yesterday,
way.
habang busy kami nagfi-fix ng sink, lalawa kami dyan, nakatanghod kami dyan sa loob. Di
It's not
namin,
easy to fix.
di namin napansin, eto pala, andi dito na sa gilid dyan. Tapos, maya-maya, tulo siya dyan, lahat. Ang ending, nabasa yung lahat ng drawers, guys. Kaya napaayos ako bigla. Yung mga drawers na ilang buwan ko nang gustong ayusin hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa naayos. Bigla ako naayos ko gabi. I mean, this side pa lang. So, mamaya ayusin ko yan. Ang pangit na ng drawer. Kasi sa heat ng oven, tapos biglang cold. Nag-peel off siya. Pangit na siya. Tapos biglang transfer ako sa ibang container ng mga spices. Ayan. So, ito yung luma. Dito siya nakalagay sa taas kasi di ba nalagay ko nga siya sa drawer. Ngayon, iginanyan ko na siya kasi ilalagay ko siya dito sa labas. Dati ganito lahat ng label ng aming spices. Kasi nasa labas siya. Kaso nga lang parang ayoko na siyang nasa labas. Kasi ang hirap-hirap linisan guys. Lagi kong pinupunasan. Pero, parang ibabalik ko na siya sa labas kasi ang hirap hanapin ng mga spices sa drawer. So, lalabas ko na lang siya. Ayan, ang gagawin ko mamaya, maglilinis-linis. Tapos mag-edit-edit. Ayun.
Later, pregnancy loss, or
So, guys, nag-try ako mag-transfer ng mga files doon sa bagong, ano ba yun? Hindi siya hard drive, SD drive ba? Tapos doon yung maliit na hard drive. Madami pa rin sabit nung aming kwarto, guys. Kasi kanina, di ba, nagligpit ako ng mga sabit-sabit. Ngayon, yung mga nakasabit dun sa labas, ipinasok ni Sumit. So, ang ending, nasa loob na naman yung mga nakasabit. Ito, nag-try ako mag-transfer ng files dito. Ayaw mag-transfer, hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, sabi ni Sumit, check niya daw later kung bakit. Yan, pero trinay ko. Hindi kasi ako guys, mateki, tsaka wala akong pasensya sa pagsosolve niyan. Pero yung pagdating sa mga video editing, tas kapag nagka-problema, ayan, nagpa-find ako ng solution. Pero yung tungkol sa mga laptop na ganyang problema, si Sumit ang nagpa-find ng solution dyan. So, nakikinig din ako ng vlogs about kung ano naman nangyayari sa katawan ko. Ayun, nakapaghugas na rin ako ng mga hugasan ko na rin yung mga containers. So, ito-transfer ko na lang yung mga spices, guys. Para mahugasan tong mga hindi pa nahugasan. Tapos, aayusin ko na lang yung dito. Ilalabas ko sila. Hindi pa ako naligo. Parang hindi yata ako mag-i-edit today. Baka bukas na lang. Ito na lang muna yung gagawin ko. Mag-ayos ng mga cabinets. Since, ilang buwan ko na rin naman itong gustong gawin. Ay, tuwalya na nga lang. Parang mas madali. Yan, ilang buwan ko na itong gustong gawin, guys. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko siya magawa-gawa. Kasi nga, di ba, nung simula nung after ko sa IVF treatment ko, di magkasabay na kami ni Sumit ng schedule, ano yan si Sumit, tawag dito, ayaw niya yung sound ng vacuum. Lalo na kapag pagod na siya. Tapos ayaw niya ng amoy ng mga panlinis. So, depende sa araw. Kapag, talagang naiinis na ako sa sobrang dumi ng itong kwarto. Di nakikipag-away na ako sa kanya. Sabihin ko sa kanya, dumi-dumi na, naiirita ako. Ganyan ako. Kasi yan. Noong mga unang linggo, tumutulong pa. I mean, gusto niya, nung nalaman na buntis ako. Gusto niya na dalawa kami magkasabay maglinis. Pero nung mga nakalaunan na siguro, nalaman niya kung gaano kahirap maglinis. Pagod rin naman kasi siya sa trabaho. Hindi ko na pinipilit na maglinis siya. Kasi para sa akin, parang mas mabilis kapag ako lang naglilinis eh. kesa yung dalawa kami naglilinis kasi hindi ko magawa yung mga gusto kong gawin. Hindi ko alam kung masusurvive ko tong ilang buwan na walang trabaho. Parang ang hirap. Nasa bahay ka lang, tapos mag-isa, tapos computer lang kaharap mo. Ay, feel ko talaga mamimiss ko ng sobra yung nagtatrabaho ako. Okay na sana yung schedule ko yung 5 hours lang per day. Kaso nga lang kasi hindi pa rin pala kaya ng katawan ko. Kasi nga ang dami ko pa rin ang dami kong ganap guys kahit na kahit na part-time lang ako sa work. Pagkarating ng bahay, ang dami kong ganap. Bago pumasok, ang dami kong ganap. So guys, imagine nyo na lang nung diba nung mga hindi ako nakakapag-vlog kung anong ganap ko sa trabaho. Yung 40 hours ako sa work. Kahit na 3 days off ako, ang daming ginagawa guys. Sa totoo lang. Tapos, syempre na, parang minsan naawa na ako sa sarili ko na gusto ko rin magpahinga. Kaya yun, kaya hindi kami nag-vlog. Tapos ang dami nga rin kasi nangyari. Sobrang depress, emotionally, hindi ka okay, physically, pagod ka. Kasi nga, may mga iba pa yung priority last year, hindi pwede yung sabay. Ang hirap guys. So, kailangan mamili lang. Personal ba muna o yung ganun ba? Hindi kaya ng dalawa. But anyways, na-survive naman namin. Yun ngayon, nakakaluwag-luwag na sa mga responsibilidad. Kaya, pwede nang hindi mag-work. Ganun naman talaga ang buhay. Set your priorities. Minsan talaga hindi pwedeng lahat ng gusto mo sabay-sabay. Kailangan mong mamili minsan. Ayan, so ito lang ang gagawin natin. And guys, 9 weeks na pala ako today. So, ayan na si baby. Wala na siyang buntot. May konti pa. Konting-konti na lang nakausli. Nagmumukha na siyang bata. Ayan yung kanyang ribs. Tapos yung heart. Ang ganda nitong app na to, no? Tapos yung actual size niya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ito na yung actual na size niya. Almost an inch na siya. 0.9. Parang ganyan siya. So, almost 1 inches na si baby. Ayan, so excited para sa aking next ultrasound. Para malaman kung meron pang heartbeat si baby. Ay, nako. Ganito pala pag nagbubuntis, lagi kang nag-worry. May maramdaman kang konti, Google ka kagad. Kapag hindi mo alam kung anong nangyayari sa loob ng katawan niya.
The Government of Canada website has a step-by-step list on what to do, and calling Service Canada to speak with a person is helpful as well.
Update sa aking pag-organize ng mga spices. Ito yung reason kung bakit hindi ako makapag-organize ng spices like ilang buwan na. Kasi yung aming containers, guys, ay nasa loob ng storage room. Pinakaloob ng storage room. Tingnan nyo, ang dami kong nilabas na mga gamit para lang makuha tong box na to. Nandito yung mga containers. Ang dami namin kailangang i-sort out na gamit, guys. Yun, ang kalat. Mas lalong kumalat. Containers lang yung inahanap ko, Gusto ko lang mag-sort out ng mga spices. Ganyan karaming kalat ng aking inilabas. Tapos, andito yung mga pang-camping namin. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung barbecue grill namin. Oh my God. Ang dami na namin gamit, no? Iniisip ko pa lang kapag naglipat na kami, kapag nakahanap kami ng bagong lugar, kung gaano ka-stress, gaano kalaking stress ang aabutin kapag naglipat kami. Well, anyways, continue pa ako sa pagtago ng spices. Hindi ko alam, siguro mamayang gabi na ako mag-aayos ng storage room. So, madadat na ni Sumit na ganito ang bahay. Which is okay lang. Kasi kailangan ko rin siya rito na magtingin kung ano yung mga kailangan niya pa. Ang dami rin kasi namin mga boxes. Kasi pag bumibili kami ng gamit, guys, hindi namin tinatapon yung boxes. Just in case lang na gusto namin ibenta ulit sa future, kasama pa yung box. Pero nowadays naman, mga tao hindi naman naghahanap ng mga box. Kami lang talaga, ganun lang kami. Natago namin mga box, kaya ang daming kahon dyan sa loob ng storage room. Dumami patuloy yung trabaho ko. Actually, I do have an appointment with them. I was just at the clinic last week, so I was able to meet them after my visit to the emergency. And my next appointment is scheduled on April 2nd, 2 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that just given that they wrote to us to say that they will not complete the serial ultrasounds, I still think that it would be best for you to get that done through us.
Okay.
Yeah. But if at your appointment on April 2nd, they tell you something different, if you could please ask them to recontact the clinic to clarify a new plan, we would really appreciate that.
Sure, I will, because right now I still do not have any OBGYN. The last time I was there, I asked them when will I be transferred, and then they told me that as soon as possible. So they are just gonna be like I think they would be deciding on my next appointment with them, like on whether like I should be transferred to an OBGYN, but as of now I don't have any OBGYN yet. But yeah,
Okay.
I'll ask them to contact you again.
Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good. And because we're arranging this through VGH, we'll be calling you every week anyways,
Yeah.
until you do have an OBGYN.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's okay with you, I'll put in the order so that you can get the ultrasound done here at VGH. They'll give you a call to kind of arrange the appointment, okay?
Sure.
And then we'll do it every week until you have someone else following.
Yeah, sounds good. Yes.
Great. Okay, and then just wondering, any like sudden abdominal pain?
Yeah, I was just having cramps yesterday, and I also started having spotting again.
Okay, when did the spotting start?
Yesterday in the morning, and then it just disappeared by the end
Okay.
of the day.
Okay. We'll follow up like as soon as we get the ultrasound results. I'm hopeful that they'll be able to get you in either today or tomorrow to get those done.
Yes.
And we'll see if there's a recurrence of the spotting.
Uh-huh.
And then we would just ask that you come to the emergency department if you have sudden, like severe abdominal pain,
Mm-hmm.
or if you have really heavy vaginal bleeding, so soaking through more than 1 pad per hour for 2 hours in a row. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Any other questions for me at all?
That's all so far. So, will I be receiving a confirmation of my appointment?
Yeah, so the radiology department here at VGH will call you and they'll let you know when you can come in for your ultrasound. Okay,
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much for calling.
of course. Thank you. Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye bye. Huh? That's weird.
No, I understand because PCRM is not. They are
Yes.
private, right?
Yeah,
They-
doesn't deal with the pregnancy. I mean, they make you pregnant, but like not the.
No, not
Yeah.
the whole process. So the gynecologist, because we went to VGH the other day, so gynecologist from VGH will follow up on this till they say that it's safe now, so you don't have to worry much.
That's so funny because VGH was asking me to ask the clinic for an OBGYN. So then I asked the clinic. Clinic said this as soon as possible. Now they're contacting VGH
Yeah,
for my serial
the bowl of cereal.
appointment. Yun guys. Very weird lang. Katatapos lang namin kumain. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kanina kasi sobrang gulo na bahay. I said I didn't vlog anymore kasi it was like super messy. VGH.
Yeah.
Emergency. Ang tumatawag sa akin. Kanina guys, nasusuka ako. Sobra. Hindi ko na mapigilan. Pero napigilan ko siya. Pero yung feeling na namumula na yung mata ko, tapos gagana na talaga.
You just told her that you're gonna go for the ultrasound on
Oh, yeah.
2nd April.
Which is Thursday.
But then she said they're gonna call tomorrow or day after tomorrow to book.
An ultrasound with them.
So why so many?
Oh, shit.
1 week.
And then the ultrasound at VGH is really thorough.
Which is a good thing.
But then, yeah, I have to stay there for I don't know how long.
Yeah.
Last ultrasound ko sa kanila, parang 5 hours kami yata dun eh. Oh my god, I'm gonna have cramps again.
Yeah.
Kasi nga toro siya, so isang location, eh di ba nga nasa left side si baby. Sa left side sila, pakatagal. Nandito kami sa beach ngayon.
Enjoying the sun and volleyball.
How do you like turn the camera?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Ito ang aming view today, guys. Nanood kami ng beach volleyball. What's that smell?
Nice, right?
Yeah. Nice. Let's go. There is like
like grass.
medicinal. Yeah.
Grass.
It smells medicinal, guys.
Nice.
Wow.
So near.